Good morning, Internet. Well, guess what I'm getting ready for? I'm at the Thursday market in Vernon, and the forecast is rain, and it has been raining lately, although the ground is not fully wet yet.
Rolling, 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 rolling.
Jana Seal is busking this morning.
This time's more correct, so direct, honey, really make me.
I'm thinking of upgrading the name of the motorhome Betty to Starship Betty. What do you think? Please say something in the comments. I'd appreciate hearing what you have to say. Well, it's time for my breakfast sandwich. That's one thing that's good about today, is that Dog Wagon is here. Got my sandwich ready. Here's my sandwich. The only thing that would make it better would be if it was on one of my buns. Well, it's almost 11:30 in the morning and we haven't had rain yet, so I hope we're going to get lucky. Short vlog today, but maybe we'll get a little longer one in the next couple of days. I'm going to bed. I've got a busy day tomorrow. Going to be baking for the Saturday market, which is the big market of the week. So please comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. And don't forget to like, share, and if you're new to my vlogs, subscribe. See you later.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.